Johnny Snow back in the building again, and getting ready to, show y'all the first shots with this KelTec, this CP33. And, basically I want to go over whether or not I think this is a viable home protection gun, all right? Because, this gun shoots 22 long rifles, which are very, very small bullet. But where the bullets are small, it makes up with capacity. This thing holds 33 of them, 22 long rifles. So, you can get hit once with a 9 or get hit 10 to 20 times with this. And I'm gonna tell you something, this thing right here, as fast as you can squeeze the trigger, it is putting them out there. So I will say I like this. I like this a lot. This is definitely a great weapon, And if you want to use this for home protection, I would recommend it. I mean, me myself, I have other things that I use, and if this was around and I was gonna grab it, I'd grab it. Hey, 33 shots, it's not a quiet gun. It, has a little pop to it. So yeah, I could definitely see this being used for home protection. Definitely can see this being used for home protection. So, that's enough talking. Let's go ahead and take it to the range. Let you see a few mag dumps, and let you see how it cycles, let you see how it shoots, and let you see everything that this thing can do. All right.